Hi guys, how are you all doing? So myself, I am Jyothi Priyanka. I'm a gardener, and in this video, I would like to let you know regarding Gladilous, how easily you can grow at your terrace, and where you have to import the bulbs, and what are the growing procedures. I'll just let you know. And before starting the video, please have a look of the blooms. These are all on my terrace garden. So these are the Gladilous bulbs which I have imported from Holland. There is a seller in Delhi, so they can able to send you the bulbs. I'll give in the description. And this is how after 2 weeks of plantation the plant is looking like. And here I have used a potting mixture like 5 parts of garden soil, 1 part of vermicompost, 1 part of rice husk, and a little bit spoon of corn meal or bone meal or eggshell. You can use anything, so that within 30 days time you'll find a bud like this, and within few days of time you can able to see the flowering in this way. And make sure to have a sticks around your plant so that the stem will not fall down. Like you can able to see some stems have been fallen down of mine. So if you are preparing a stick so that it will stick like that, the stem will not fall down. And if you want to have any pollination, cross pollination, and produce more production, you can able to do that very simply. Just take a toothbrush or paintbrush, just have a pollen of one flower and immerse that one to another flower, so that easily you can able to pollinate it. But make sure not to use for every flower, okay? The procedure of this will take time, but anyways, you are going to get bulbs after flowering. These are all the prettiest blooms. And one more thing, in Telangana, this is the first time I'm growing this purple color with two shades. I didn't observe anybody is growing this purple color. I felt so happy while growing it. Just have a look of this purple color. It is so bright and beautiful one. And I love this shade of double shade. It's actually surrounded with four colors, four different colors: yellow, light pink, whitish, and brinjal color. Just have a look at them. How gorgeous they are. I always love to grow them on my terrace. Every year I used to have this bloom, especially for New Year. December 25th to New Year, I'll select the dates and I'll plant in before so that I'll get the blooms like this. I love to enjoy them all the time. And make sure to give NPK 19 once in 15 days so that the bloom size will be more. If you are using organic, you can give mustard cake fertilizer. That would be helpful